All right, so this is going to be a review here of ELECTRUM with many sound demos with a full band. I have 4 different songs I'm going to go through, some solos, some rhythms, and some more slower atmospheric parts and stuff like that. Really cool plugin here. A lot of everything's pretty much laid out for you in like one window, if you will, and then there's like even another layer or skin, if you will, that shows it a little bit differently if you want to take a look at that. And I do have a link in the video description below. I got this, I paid for this plugin, but if you do use my link in the below, it is an affiliate link, and you could get some special deals there. Sometimes the website that I bought it from, sometimes they give free plugins away, sometimes they don't. So obviously at the time of making this video, I got a free plugin myself. I can't guarantee that you will get a free plugin with it, but you can make it some other stuff. So anyways, let's get into this. I'm going to go into a bunch of different stuff here, go over overview, and there's a timeline in the video if you want to skip ahead. Again, there's 4 different songs. I go through some presets. I just play around with it, amp. You know, these are pre-recorded parts that I'm going to do in my DAW here with a full band, if you will, with that they don't have or aren't amps. So I guess it's kind of reamping, if you will, in this video here. But anyways, let's get into this. Okay, let's do a brief overview of this because I know you want to hear sounds more than anything else in this video. But there are some really cool features here. As you can see here, the amp and the cabinet obviously going to be the most 2 important parts we got going on here. But the signal chain, we got a noise gate, we got a compressor, we got a doubler, we got the modulation over here with chorus, flanger, tremolo, and I can't read because my glasses on, but sweeper, phaser, and yeah, there we go. So, and then we have an auto wah, a distortion, the amp, of course, the cabinet, EQ, delay, reverb. And then over here we have some really cool features. We have a PolyTuner, which comes in really handy because when you strum your whole guitar, you can see if it's in tune, play a chord, play an open, you know, all the open strings. You can see what strings are out of tune. That is a really cool feature that I haven't saw in any of these other guitar amps. Maybe they're out there, I don't know. We also have an EQ match here. If you want to match the EQ of something that's already recorded, like say you have your favorite guitar part from an album or something, you can match the EQ of that and then work from there with your settings and everything. So that's a really cool feature as well. And then we have an input level here too, which is kind of like an auto thing where you just click that, you kind of strum your guitar as loud as you're going to play it, and then it's kind of adjusts everything accordingly. So that's another cool, really cool feature. And of course, these effects here can be reordered. If you want the EQ first, you do that up here. It doesn't move them down here, but you can turn them off either way, up here, down there, or wherever. And then of course we have this button over here which flips it into this more like, I guess, Ableton Live kind of looking thing or whatever. But anyways, so that's pretty much the overview. I mean, there's obviously a lot more I'm going to go into. But, and then if you click here, you go right to their website, which is cool too, if you want to grab their manual, see some tutorials or whatever. And that is really cool too. All right, so I'm going to play a song here, and then I'm going to go into some different things. I'll come back and explain some of the other features that we're going on through here. All right, so let's play the song here. And there's a couple other features that I forgot to mention that are really cool on this plugin as well, but I'll get to that in a second. Let's play a song here and go through some sounds.